Welcome to Riverside Secondary School, the school of the future, the school that is dedicated to training pupils in all aspects of life, that is training the head, the heart, the hands, while promoting and maintaining the health of the pupils. And in today's segment, we as a school, pupils are taking part in production unit. And under this aspect, pupils are practicing what we are calling sustainable agriculture. For we believe to say a healthy soil makes healthy plants, and the healthy plants makes healthy people, and the healthy people makes a healthy nation. And in today's segments, for you to produce a healthy crop like the ones you are seeing in this field, pupils are going to make a compost, which is a biofertilizer that is used to promote healthy soil and build healthy soil so that we can have healthy food.
Hello there viewers, my name is Lyle Manjimela and I'm a student at Riverside Secondary School, and today we'll be looking at compost making. Now one would want to ask what compost is. So compost is the natural is where we get natural materials such as dry grass, which we have over there, and then we also have some fresh twigs here, and then we let them rot and decompose, and then after that we use it in the soil.
Hello, my name is Ikasapo from Riverside Secondary School, and I'm going to be talking about twigs. These are carbon-rich materials that are placed in the soil to help balance the ratio between carbon and nitrogen in the compost. The presence of twigs help to avoid complications in the compost and also help for healthy decomposition by maintaining moisture and airflow in the compost.
Hi everybody, this is Riverside Secondary School. My name is Njamana Mapente and we have dry materials. So dry materials are also known as brown materials, and these are high in carbon when compost is being made. So these bring about the balance of carbon to nitrogen and absorption of excess moisture. So examples of compost making materials, we have dried grass, which is here. We have dried leaves, which is also accompanied inside in here, and we also have wood chips. That's all I have for you today.
Hey, Kasara here. Here we are by the composter. We're sprinkling water mixed with molasses, which is high in carbon, which gives energy to microorganisms and speeds up the process of decomposition to make our compost.
Hello everyone, my name is Tracy Chivangu and I'm going to talk about manure. Manure is added to compost because it is high in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, enriching with essential nutrients for plant growth, and it also introduces the microorganisms that helps in the breaking down of matter.
So we are interchanging, if you have observed that. We started with the dry materials, we have put the green materials, again we've had to put the dry materials, and we have put manure as well. So the reason why we are interchanging these layers is we want to balance up the ratio of carbon and nitrogen. Apart from that, we are trying to promote aeration so that we ensure that there is proper airflow during decomposition. And this interchanging of the layers helps to speed up the process of decomposition. All right, thank you very much for the job well done. So we have come to the end of our compost making process, but we are remaining with one thing. And that one thing, we need to insert in a rod which is going to be acting as a thermometer for us to check on the temperature, as well as find out whether decomposition is taking place. So as you can see, they are inserting on the rod, and this rod is going to help us with monitoring the temperature and the rate at which decomposition is going to take place. So after doing all this, we are going to be turning this compost after 2 weeks. But if you want, you can turn this after 1 to 2 weeks. But for us, we are going to do it after 2 weeks so that we can make sure that there is no compaction. We can make sure also that there is proper decomposition and there is aeration in our compost, so that we can get a good quality compost which is going to help us to maintain our soil and become healthy, so that we can produce healthy foods and we can continue to be healthy as we promote the health of the future generation.